Hello everybody and welcome to a new video regarding our GreenPonik kit, ECPH Auto Dozer, and today we are going to talk about the water pump when you are using the water pump on the application for smartphone. So let's share the screen and launch the GreenPonik app. So for this test I have my hub 0C1. I will click on it to get into that hub and we will reach the view for the water brain. We saw the water brain view in a previous video. If you didn't see this video, I invite you to go on our channel video list and watch it from there. So today we are going to talk about the water pump. To go into the water pump view, you will go into the second part of the app. And here we have all the data we need for our water pump. First, we have a list of our water pump modules. Those modules are listed there, and you can see those which are connected and those who are not connected. When you want to add a water pump, this is where you will scan for a new module, because when you click on scan, what it will do is to ask the water brain to look around and see if there are water pump attached. So right here we have one actually at the moment. We can click on it and it will add this water pump to the system. Because it's already registered, I won't do that again because there is no use to do that. Here we are in a setup with two water pumps. We can see that there is only one that is connected at the moment, but the second one is there. And if I want to delete it, I can click on the red bin right here. It will ask for confirmation. I will not do that because I need it for later tests, but basically it's flexible for you. And that's the very interesting thing about our kit, is that it's flexible. You know, you can have one or multiple water pumps. So in this setup I have eight dosage pumps, which is very interesting when you have to deal with very complex nutrient charts. So below that we have our dozer that is in schematic. The dozer has four pumps, pump 1 to pump 4. The mix pump is the external pump that we use to pull water from your main water tank to the harness where we inject the nutrients and back to the water tank. So this mix pump doesn't need to be set up, but the pump 1 to 4 has to. In this setup we have a pump 1 for pH minus and the other three pumps are for EC. And for each pump you will be able to change the solution type, so you can choose EC, pH minus or pH plus. You can put the dosage that is recommended by the manufacturer of your nutrients, and so if you want to change it, you just click on the tile, enter the new value, click on save, and the application will send the new data to the water brain. If you want to make a manual dosage for whatever reason, well, you can do it here. So I can choose, for example, 15 milliliters and hit enter, and there you can see that it's in progress right now and it's dosing 15 milliliters. After that we have the other pumps. So on pump 2, 3 and 4 it's EC, and I've put different recommended dosages per pump, you see. So the water pump will dose keeping that exact proportion in your water tank solution, and that's what you need to have the perfect balance in terms of nutrients. What you also have is statistics regarding what your pumps are dosing. So right here I can click on stats, and I have the statistics for pump 4, which has the total dose since the last resets you did, the last dose, which is the last unique dose the module made with this pump. You have the total duration in terms of minutes, hours and so on, and the last duration of that dose. When you want to reset those statistics, you click on the red bin and hit confirm, and we put all those statistics to 0. And that's something that might be interesting for you if you want to track how many nutrients you are using or how many nutrients you need to go from normal water that has nothing in it to water that has been balanced to the right EC and pH levels. That's it for now. In the next video I will talk about the settings of the app and tell you what you can do with all this. Well, thank you very much for watching and talk to you soon. Bye!